welcome back. So today I'm in the supermarket and I just wanted to film a little because there are so many sales right now. So this is like keychains and almost all of them are on sale, but like lots of Lego products are on sale, but the sale amount is not very big. So it's like just like a little bit of sale, but still it's nice to buy something that you wanted on sale. So we have a lot of like Ninjago sets as well, like sales a little bit, yeah, kind of like that. I think if it's a big set, like the expensive like big set, the sale amount is a little bit bigger because sale is with like percent, like even if it's 10%, if it's a big one, the sale amount the sale, like the money that you're saving is going to be bigger. So there's also like Gabby's dollhouse, and this one is quite new, but this is actually on sale, so this is quite nice. So it's actually it's also small, a little bit on sale. There's this also like a Disney castle, and like there's also like Cinderella, and lots of Disney sets, almost all of them. I think like it's a really small amount of sale, but still it's nice to see that a lot of things are on sale like this. It's very nice. There's also lots of Friends sets over here. It's very nice to see them on sale. So this is like this year January sets, so it kind of makes sense that they're on sale. It's like almost a year ago now. So as you can see, there's a lot of Friends sets over here and some other sets as well, also like botanical sets over here, and also we have some poly bags over here. It's very nice to see the poly bags like this. I think the poly bags aren't really on sale. So we also have like minifigures displayed here over like this, and lots of dream sets on sale too, like a lot of them, lot of dream sets. It's actually very easy to see dreams on sale. I think dreams isn't really one of the popular series because a lot of them are on sale these days. So there's also Wicked. All the Wicked sets are on sale too. Wednesday is not on sale, and here we have some more Friends sets that I just skipped by mistake, but there's a lot of sale for these Friends sets as well. So there's Friends over here and some other sets over here, like small ones, and like Star Wars. I think there's also quite a lot of sale. I think it'll be nice to visit if you're interested. There's a lot of sale in this supermarket right now. So there's this like what do you call it, like the big ones, like really big sets, and this is actually not so bad. It's actually quite nice, the big ones, because if it's the big ones, the sale is quite bigger, so it's very nice. There's also like this one piece, and there's also like this display like diorama like this. It's very cool. So also Harry Potter sets. And this year, Harry Potter Advent Calendar is also on sale. So today I visited the supermarket and it was very nice. So see you next time. Bye bye.